Today we are going to install the new, Offroad, Jeep, JL tailgate reinforcement tire carrier. This carrier fits the Jeep Wrangler JL, 2018, through 2025 models. Installation time is around 45 to 60 minutes. Can be installed by yourself, but easier with a friend. With a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need this list of tools, to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Let's start by opening the tailgate, grabbing your body clip tool, pop out the cover and plastic panel. Then, remove the hinge limiter from the tailgate, and move it out of the way. Next, remove the body clips along the wire harness, unplug the harness at the end, and move the harness out of the way. Then, remove these covers, giving you access to the hinge bolts. Now, using a T55 Torx bit, remove the factory lower two, tailgate hinge bolts shown here. Then, with a friend's help, have them hold the tailgate, while you remove the upper two, tailgate bolts. Take the tailgate, and set it aside. Next, using a 15mm socket, remove the inner hinge bolts, and remove the hinges. Then, grab the new, Offroad hinge mounts, and install both upper and lower mounts. Thread in the factory bolts, but do not tighten them down at this time. Now, grab the new tire carrier, and set it face down on a table or bench, and grab the rubber die cut pads, peel the backing, align them, and stick them into place, as you see here. Next, with all the factory tire carrier removed from the tailgate, set the tailgate face up, and remove the rubber bump stops. Then, set the tire carrier in place on the tailgate, align all the hardware holes, and begin threading in the 8, 13mm center bolts until snug, and then the 4 outer, 16mm bolts, until snug. Now, with a friend's help again, pick up the tailgate, and set it in place, within the new carrier hinges. Align the holes, and drop in the hinge bolts. You might have to move things around to get that second hinge bolt in. You may even have to tap it in, with a rubber mallet. Next, with the bolts in place, reinstall the hinge limiter, as you see here. Then, close your tailgate, latch it, and see how it all lines up. Open it back up, and thread on the hinge bolt backing nuts. Close your tailgate again, and tighten down the hinge hardware, with two 21mm wrenches. Now, with your friend's help, have them lift up on the tailgate, or hold it aligned in place, while you tighten down the inner hinge bolts, from the inside. Then, open and close the tailgate a few times, and see how it all lines up. If adjustments are still needed, make them at this time, and tighten everything down. Next, let's set the main tire mount plate in place, and thread in the bolts, as you see here. Then, go back, and tighten down the 15mm bolts. Now, grab the tire mount bracket, and set it in the center mounting position. This is good for all around tire size. Then, thread in the 18mm bolts, and tighten them down. Next, set in place the adjustable wheel stud plate, and install the 18mm side and top bolts, and thread on the backing hardware. Now, before you tighten them down, you need to measure your tire wheel depth, and set this distance accordingly. How you do this, is by setting something flat across the tire, and measure from the bottom of the flat object, to the center of the back of the hub. That will be your stud plate measurement. Now, that you know the measurement, set it, and tighten down these bolts. Next, hold the third brake light bracket mounts in place, as you see here, and thread in the 8 bolts, and tighten them down. Now, grab the factory tire carrier you removed earlier, and remove these 2 bolts that hold the camera mount in place. Then, slide the camera out the back, and use a T8 Torx bit, to remove the camera set screw, and then you can unplug, and remove the camera. Next, grab the new camera mounting bracket, and set the camera in place, as you see here. Then, grab the camera backing plate, and set it in place, as shown here. Insert the 2 Allen head bolts, and thread on the 10mm backing nuts, and tighten them down. Now, go back to your factory carrier, and remove these 4 screws, holding on the third brake light bracket, and set it aside. Then, set the third brake light bracket in the new bracket holder, as you see here, and reinstall the 4 factory bolts, and tighten down. Insert the wire harness through the back of the carrier, so the camera plug hangs out, and run the harness back through the tailgate. Next, the camera mount has 2 slotted holes for adjusting. Set in the 2 small Allen bolts, set the mount in place, and thread them into the nut plate. Adjust as needed, and tighten them down. Lastly, plug the camera wiring back into the camera, and you are set. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Offroad JL tailgate tire carrier install. If you have any questions during your product installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.